start the question and answer round. Mike.
Hi, I am Pramod from Vijay Karnataka newspaper.
Hi, Pramod.
Regarding your script selection, so it has been versatile, the characters you have been played or the story you have selected. But recent times, so are you planning to stick on to one particular genre or maybe it is action, mass or something like that?
No. If you see my filmography, last few years, you know that I will not stick to one particular genre at any cost. With each film itself, not even I don't even do 2-3 films in a row and then try out something else. With each film, I'm trying to do something different, and this is how I'll continue. And there is definitely obviously now, action cannot be called a genre because there is action in Hit 3, there will be action in Paradise, there will be action in the next film after that also. But the 3 films genre-wise are very, very extremely different. This is a crime investigative thriller, the next one is going to be an action drama, the next one is going to be something else completely. So, genre-wise I'll keep jumping, and maybe after that one, maybe I'll come back to a love story or something like Hanano. So, it is a promise from my side, for sure, I will not stick to any genre, no matter how much of a big success it gives me. I will keep jumping genres, I will try to come to you with something new, some new experience every single time. I'll do my best.
On what basis you select your scripts?
Not just gut feeling of what I try to think like, or I don't really have a strategy or a formula or this is what I want in a script. With very plain mind, how we go buy a ticket and just hope that the film is good. I listen to the script like that, and if I get excited, if my gut feeling says this will be very nice to see on screen, I'll do it. And I feel I'm one of all of you, that we are all audience. I don't feel that I am from industry and you're all audience. I feel I am me, you, we are all together in this. So if I like, you all will like is what my confidence is. And it's been proven right so many times, and I just hope it happens one more time this Thursday. Yeah.
Hit 3 was shot in Pahalgam. Just a week back there was a terrorist attack. How was your experience shooting in Pahalgam, and how everything will be changed from past week, 1 week?
I think it'll have a long-lasting effect on that place, and that's what. Of course, what the incident happened is extremely painful and it's heartbreaking. When you got to know, it it really pulled us all down. Not just us, I think everyone in whatever in industry or whatever. I think just to hear that news, it was heartbreaking. Even today, till today, yesterday also, I was seeing some clip of somebody going on a zip line or something, and then accidentally recording what's happening in the background. As much as we all have, we were in pain, and we all have something to, work with or move on with our day-to-day life. It keeps coming back to us, and it reminds us how vulnerable. The moment we sometimes think that everything is safe, everything is fine. Oh, this is all the things of past. But when things like this happen, we are reminded that nothing is still in control. There are these vile forces which are still roaming around, and some action, big action needs to be taken. Some hope needs to be created, because otherwise, I don't know what direction we are going, and for me, it's been even more extremely haunting from the day this happened, because we shot in Pahalgam. We shot for 18 days, and the whole team and the kind of support we got from the locals, and how we were taken care of, or how I remember every morning waking up and seeing Pahalgam and saying, what a beautiful place. And the place we stayed, there were so many tourists, and there were so many tourists from Karnataka. There were so many tourists from Andhra. There were with families. When I walked out of the resort, they used to take pictures with me before going to the shoot. I remember those happy faces where they came for a holiday. They wanted to have fun. But now, listening to what happened, that took to the people who really went with families to have a good time, it is, I don't know how to put it in words, but it is devastating. It is a horrific incident, and I just pray to God, I just hope that this doesn't repeat again.
ಸ್ವಾದಿಷ್ಟತೆಯ ಸ್ವಾದ ತಾಜಾತನದ ಆಹ್ಲಾದ, ಉತ್ತಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ರೋಗ ನಿರೋಧಕ ಶಕ್ತಿಯ ವೃದ್ಧಿಗೆ ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಿದೆ ಉತ್ತಮ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ ಪೌಷ್ಟಿಕಾಂಶ. ಶ್ರೀ ವೈದಿಕ್ ಮಿಲೆಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್, ಇದು ಸಿರಿಧಾನ್ಯಗಳ ಸಂಪತ್ತು.